Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in the puzzle page of Saturday, December the 30th, Sunday, December the 31st, 2023. Yeah. One puzzle is left. We have three puzzles all done. Yeah, we have done three puzzles. The 3-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, and the binary. Tomorrow I will do, we have also in this weekend edition and additional, I will do 4 puzzles in an additional, and in the evening I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Yeah, Samurai Sudoku. And the day after, yeah, will be January the 1st, 2024. I will do the rest of the puzzles of the puzzle page and the additional of the weekend edition. Yes. All right, a lot of puzzles for these coming 2 days. Let me start with the Tectonic numbers. 7708. 7708. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. I believe this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. So I think it's a 1-star puzzle or a 2-star puzzle. For a 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For a 2-star puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. That's my time limit. All right. Is this a 1-star or a 2-star puzzle? That's the question. We'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. I see here one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those 2 boxes. Same for here, the 1 and the 2. Do we have more dual boxes? No, triple boxes then. See here, triple box. There, triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. Same for here. Well, not true. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. Then, next question. Do we have here a quadra box? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, can't see any quadra boxes here in this puzzle. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. Yeah, when you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. The T shape. Only one T shape in this puzzle. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maxima 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These are 3 boxes. Surround one can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Okay. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. And these 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here then. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 1 anymore. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this dual box should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area should be here. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, well, I cannot place the 1 there because we've got double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. The other pair in this area should be the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we already have a 1 there, so it can be 1 here. The 1's supposed to be a there. Alright, I think this box should be a 3. Because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely a 3. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be here. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 4. Wait. These are 3 boxes. Surround a 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Well, and these 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Let me mark those. And this one is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and a 5. One of the missing number in this area is number 3. We need a 3 here. Well, this box can be 3. We have a 3 already there. So this can't be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. So here we have 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 5. Okay. These are 3 boxes. Surrounded 2 can be 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 in this area should be there then. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then, let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2. We have a 2 in the same area. Can be 3, should be a 4. Can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4 here. Then I think well, let me think. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for us. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. This box is also connected with that box. Should be also a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5 is connected with that box, should be also a 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4, and final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there, finish in 13 minutes. Well. Told you I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Definitely a one-stop puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again tomorrow on Sunday. Yeah, the last day of the year. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye-bye for now.